Hey yo guys, it's your boy Manandothegoat and we're back again guys. So in today's video guys, we're just gonna break down the market with my people. So okay guys, which pair should we look at? Which pair is giving you guys problems so that we know how to attack it?
Gold.
Gauta. Gold. It's gold. Okay, I have it here. So guys, when you guys analyze, where do you start? Where do you normally start?
Usually start with the bigger time frames.
Yeah, one person at a time so we understand each other.
So
You say you start on the daily.
Yes.
Sometimes when you think these things don't make sense, just go to the weekly, right? So when you're on your weekly, you need to look at your what do you call your lowest low. This thing of going down to the lowest low of the market, it's a problem. You just have to look at the nearest lowest low. So we're gonna get the nearest lowest low. Let's say here's the nearest lowest low here. Here's the nearest lowest low. You see? And then if we go look at the nearest higher side, there was a break here. So when the situation is like this, you gotta come up with your trend line. So your trend line has to start from the low where you have your 1, 2. You only had 2 when it comes to your what? To your trend line. So on the higher height, 1, 2, 3. So there was a break. We are not sure where price will go. Guys, someone is making noise here and we can't continue like this.
Baby.
And if you have a question, guys, ask it now. And then guys, so when we are like this on the weekly time frame, right? We have to go to from the weekly, we're gonna go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, all you have to do is fix your touches. As you could see, this one was a touch, and then you can expand this one to that level. So the reason why price went up, guys, price moves in an impulse, correction, impulse. This is a structure that we had. So when you saw this structure, you could have what? You could have capitalized. Same structure repeated, but then now it was a what? It was a bigger structure, as it could see in here, a bigger structure. And again, price thought maybe somewhere around this level you're gonna have a double top, which never happened. It was just a break and a retest. So now we're gonna focus on what's really happening now. Where will gold go? You need remember with your trend line, you need 2 to 3 touches to confirm if your trend line is legit. So we have 1, we have 2. I can't say I see the third touch, but we have more than 2 touches. And here we have this. So after here, guys, we're gonna go to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, it now shows me what I always wanted to see. You see? So this is what we call the top-down analysis. The 4-hour shows me what I always wanted to see. So now you could see that these can be a continuation to the upside. So if this is a continuation, you can expect it to reach that level. So again, we move to the 1 hour to confirm. When we get to the 1 hour, you always need to fix a trend line. As long as the trend line is 2 to 3 touches, that's proper. Don't be drawing trend lines like you're crazy. That's why they disrespect us. So okay, again, here is it. Oh, I'm just gonna push it there. So you have like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now, guys, on gold, right? If we're looking at gold, you could see we even have a bullish pattern. Price gave you a mini impulse. After a mini impulse, you could see the break of the break of the pattern. So after seeing the break of the pattern, are we going short or long? Now we are going where? We are going long. So you're chilled with your friend, take gold, it's gonna buy till that level. And another thing, you see the way it went down, right? It can be the way it goes up because you can use the bar pattern, take this bar pattern from the height to the low. And then when you come here, you just flip it. You see, you flip this, then it gives you what? It gives you the direction on where price will go straight. So you're gonna be having something like this on gold. So what we can do now, guys, it's save the setup. So when it comes to what we call, when it comes to entry, there's gonna be another video based on entries. So here it was just analysis. Did everyone get it right? You can unmute your mic, guys. Did everyone get it right? If you want me to unmute you, raise your hand so that you can ask your question. Are you guys sorted?
I did get it right, sir.
Is everything? Can we move to the next pair? Is everyone sorted?
Yeah, we can move to the next pair.
And what's the next pair?
USD.
Was YVs, USD. Ngiyisaba, mara wayibizwa, but sizoyi-attack.
Ingikhahlelile kuseni.
Eish. Okay. Now USD, ne? Our USD, I like starting them on the daily, and guys. So on the daily, we have a huge resistance. There is a huge resistance. You could see that price is failing to break. And again, on the low of these, we're gonna have these here. And again, we're gonna have these here. These are just important zones that I'm highlighting. Do you understand, guys? And then we're gonna have these here. So having all these on the daily, now we are moving to the what? To the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, you could see that there was a break of a structure somewhere around that level. So if we're selling, we can sell to reach that level. And guys, let me teach you a proper strategy, to know if price will reject or what. So all you have to do, right, is to look at the is to look at the candlestick. Yabona, when the week of the selling of the buying is bigger than the week of the selling, just know the market will change. Example, look at this one. 1, 2. Which one was bigger? On the
green one.
On the retracement, which one was bigger?
The bullish candle.
The green one.
The green one. Why? Because it was on the resistance. That's the reason why price went where? Went down. Okay, again, the example is here. Mpumi is requesting to record. Okay, record Mpumi. I'm not a bad guy. Again, it's here. But I want where they're like weeks straight, bro. Like where they're weeks. I'll show you. Okay, sharp. Okay, let's look at when price was buying. Between the selling week and the buying week, which one had more power? You look at the week.
The selling week.
Now here the one which was bigger is the selling one here. Look at it clearly, my G.
Okay, let me just say oh, it's the buying one, this one.
The buying.
The buying. When did price go?
Upward.
Upwards. So basically, these things, guys, is just as simple as that. Understand? When it comes to the weeks, stuff like that. You just look at the weeks only on a resistance or support level. Don't go around saying Manando said when you see a week, just know. No. You need to know where to place it. You get what I'm saying though, guys? So again, we're gonna come here, we put this. So now let's go with our trend line. So for a trend line to be accurate, you need 1, 2 to what? To 3 touches. The reason why price dropped on the third touch, it was because of the week. That's the first confirmation. Second confirmation, it was because of the touch of the trend lines. Do I make sense?
Yes, sir.
This is
Again, on the low, we have it like this. It might not be today, it might not be tomorrow, it might not be next week, but USDT will have to drop and come complete that what? That third touch. I don't know when it will happen, but then it has to happen. It has to what? It has to happen. Guys, I like making Forex simple so that even a person who can't see understand. So now we're in a position where we have to move to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, guys, we could see that price gave us a what? A double top. Guys, double top doesn't mean it will always be accurate the way you guys want it. This was a what? This was a double top. You understand? And then on the
Yes, sir.
double top, there's a what? There's a break. So what we can expect right now from price, it's price can push to this level and then come here and then we go there. Is it understandable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can hear you.
But again, we have a possibility of price coming back to these and come form a head and shoulder setup. So don't never rush your
Yes.
setups. You just have to relax and watch the market. But me,
Yeah.
when price reaches here and it shows me the strategy I showed you where I look at the weeks of the candlestick, me, I'm buying. You understand? Tell me one time so that Manando, let's trade live with the live account. Then we do it on a Zoom. So it can be more fun and see how your favorite traders are trading.
Yes.
No problem, Manando.
So now we're having it like this. So when we're having it like this, for me, right, I would have taken my entry there. So now I could say it's a must for price to be where it is right now. I could take this as a short. I'm taking it as a what? As a short. So now I can go to my account, sell USDT. So this is the signal I'm even giving on the live. Sell USDT. Take it as a short. We're going in and out, making that quick 1,000.
You are selling.
Yeah. USDT, something to do with USDT. I'm selling it right now. Dow Jones, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, I'm selling Dow Jones. I just opened a few positions, but I'm selling Dow Jones.
did you also realize that you also have correlations?
Sorry?
We also have correlations, you must also check it out.
We have
Correlations are fundamentally been around past two.
I didn't know about the event. You see how it is, guys. Even on the M5, this here, it will have to go down. So are we all on the same page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are listening.
So we're done with USDT. Which pair are we going for now?
Can we try GBPJPY?
Who GBP was a JPY? The forex trader le moon to GBPJPY. And years le forex trader. Umngani wami. Okay, currencies, let's start on the daily. When we're on the daily, and I'm tired of focusing too much on the past. But they will lie to you, these traders. So we're just gonna focus on the current structure, right? As you could see, you have your 1, 2, 3, right? And then you had your double here. It was about to form a double top. Come to the low, 1, 2, 3. We come to the low of the structure. We have that. After the daily, we go to the 4-hour. This thing of you gonna be going down, highlighting unnecessary stuff. It's like someone's funeral. No, we don't do that this side. So, okay, we're gonna come there. Now we're just fixing our trend lines. So, okay, when it's like this, right, let's check. Easy check, right, with an easy goat.
Head and shoulder.
Do you want me to say more or we are done with it?
Now we are
I
done.
think we're done.
We are done. We are done. We are done.
Okay, as long as you see a pattern in it, just know. When as I say, today we just overlooking at the market, and then on the next one we're gonna focus on entries, because that's what most people don't understand. You know, entries is it's a very, very huge problem. So now, which pair are we going for?
Nasdaq.
Hey, you like
Nasdaq.
you like dangerous things.
Nake kopa Euro USD.
Okay, let's help let's help the female. We have a female in the building. Euro USD. Guys, no lie, in this industry, right? I don't think there's anyone who's better than me and Nasdaq Ninja when it comes to price action. It's a personal opinion. I'm not saying what. As you could see,
Okay.
as you could see my previous analysis on this. Where is it? I think it was showing when I was on the daily. That's how I feel, you know. That's the only guy that me and him we can sit down. You see, I had cells here. Didn't they play out? Yeah, I had cells. That's the only guy I see as a competition with trend lines. Okay, Euro USD
definitely.
sisters. We're gonna start on the daily, right? So on the daily, you could see we're having the highest height, and then we're gonna have the lowest low of this structure. Guys, we should stop this thing of going down there where we even know that price might take decades to reach. So again, we can highlight those important zones. So right now, sisters, if you check, we had price giving us a 1, 2, 3, and then price was on an impulse, then correction. So from that point on, I highly believe that we're gonna go to the 4-hour, and on the 4-hour, I can remove this unnecessary, because I like my work clean, but I know what's happening there. All right, let's check, right, guys? We were focusing on a 1, 2, 3, ne? So now again, in this level, we had a 1, 2, 3. So with this 1, 2, 3, what really happened? Then we're gonna take the bar pattern. With that 1, 2, 3, price gave us something like that. Sorry. with that 1, 2, 3, price gave us something like this. So, okay, now we are having the same 1, 2, 3. Why price can't give us something like this? Then you just come here, connect, and like this. And you're done. EURUSD is a buy, my sister. Were you
Thank
on
you so much.
Were you on sales?
Yes.
How did you see the sales? Because
Uh,
EURUSD, right? Check. It failed to break 1, 2, 3. Now this is the 4th time. And if you can check, if I take a trend line, which I don't like doing that, from here to here, there's a breakout. So basically, sisters, you're opposing the market. And again, guys, we're gonna come here and take the bar pattern of the longest touch, something like that. And then when you take something like that, you can put it here. So you see where we're going with USDT.
yeah.
So
Okay.
guys, we're done. We can call it a day, right?
Yes, sir.
I
No,
think we
Nasdaq.
Yeah, James. Let's work on the next session, Gibbs. When often should I do these sessions?
I think every Monday is good.
No, I don't mind doing them 3 times. Okay, as I said, I'm
Anytime.
Manandothegoat. Those who took this setup, right? Oya Momozela would say take off. Mind you clean, I'm in profit this side.
Cheapest.
Mind you clean. I'm in profit. You see how it's moving? Mind you clean, we were fit. So guys, it was a boy Manandothegoat. It was nice having a session with you guys. It's all love. Let's do it next time. I'll keep posting on the group.
Yes,
Thank
thank
Did I help you
Thanks,
guys
bro.
or I didn't help you?
Yeah, bro, you helped me a
you.
lot.
Bye.
Shout out.
Oh, yeah.
Sure.